Natalie and I are doing the drywall. First thing we had to do was actually flip all of the drywall here because I brought it up here wrong. I had that real big piece on the top. So, well, you can imagine what we had to go through to do that. And now we got our first piece with the smoke alarm cut out. And I just went to get the drill. We're gonna drill the hole for the light right here, and then we're gonna try to get this up. Natalie just put the lines on for the screws. Hopefully we can get this up without a problem. Let's get that hole drilled. All right, put this on the ground over here somewhere, and we gotta get this all the way. Where's my? All right, it's right here. Just got to make sure that we don't have anything underneath there. I think we're good. Does it look like it? Yeah. Hand me the drill. I hate doing this leaning out like this because this really wants to jump as soon as it hits the material. Beautiful. Yeah, and it doesn't have to be perfect. We just don't want a lot of paper, and you can tear some of that paper off too if it doesn't cut easy. Okay, we gotta go get 2 screw shooters and the drywall screws, and we should be ready to put this up. Alright, now this thing has to be spun around and turned upside down. Easier said than done. Okay, we're gonna spin it this way, lift it up. We got to make sure that it's fitting. You'll be able to tell right away on this. That is going to be all right no matter what, because it's just got this coming through. Yeah. We just got to make sure that the sides, it might seem like it's all the way up and it might be away from the edge here. We have a 1/4 inch of play going that way, so okay, we should be all right. We'll put these behind you just in case you need to do it. All right, and then as soon as you can, I'll hold it up, and then you get the dead man up. Okay. All right, let's do this. Your uncle and cousin and I got one of twice this size. Okay, it's good. All right. Oh, that should be good. All right. How is it down there? Is it up?
Yeah, it'll have to go just a tiny bit up, but it's on.
I can't tell what it's doing there. It doesn't look like it's lining up correctly. Looks like it's right on the edge. I think I can get that with the oscillating tool after I throw a screw in or two. That's what I was talking about. Are you okay?
Yeah, I just got a little bit of dust in my eye.
Hold on. These.
What's going on?
That one's in there.
Oh.
Oh, I had to get another one in before. I need to get like 4 of them in before you can let go of it. It's not going to hold itself up. All right. Keep holding it. Unbelievable. I'm missing the actual, it's way over. Okay, I think you can, let me cut this right away. There we go. Got my eyes full. That was my tip. Do you have that other tip here?
Yeah.
I don't think we would have been able to do this without that dead man.
No, I know for a fact.
Oh shit.
God damn.
That was just a screw, but
Oh, I thought that was a tip again.
it's like my hands don't work. Do you see what I'm talking about? Where
Yeah, you.
if you go just a hair too far, it just pops.
It's in the gypsum.
Yeah, that one's not in far enough, but I can always put it in later. That one's in too far. Making a mess of things. That's right. Okay.
Are those lights not even? I can't tell.
Oh no. It is. What the hell?
What did you do?
Oh, I put the line at 36 instead of 37. I'll have to cut that open and patch that. The cutout. It should still be in the drill. Take that cutout and glue the cutout into the entire hole, and then drill one right next to it.
That's smart.
Oh, big dummy. I have, this is just a basket case of work today. Luckily, I know I didn't get anything. I have marks here where the wires are. just means there's no wood right there. No, I'll go all the way around this before I take it out.
Okay.
Just make sure it doesn't fall when I... You can take it. All right.
Can we use this on the sides at all?
No, it's possible we can like wedge it, but
Yeah.
probably not. We just want to take a 1/2 inch off because we put the ceiling on first, and these sides were exactly 48. So if we want to take that 1/2 off that we added, and it actually comes out, there's a little bit of play, and that's fine, you know, because these aren't exactly 48.
Yeah.
But if we take a 1/2 inch off, we got a little bit of wiggle room.
Okay.
Okay, so you set this right at a 1/2 inch, right like that, and then you go along the edge like that.
Okay.
You get a perfect 1/2 inch line. I'm afraid I'm gonna fall through this hole.
I've been afraid of it this whole time.
Alright, now take a pliers and break it like that. Then you can get in there with your knife
And cut again.
and cut again, and then take your your rasp.
And sand her down.
Yep, and sand it down. Couple more screws and we'll be ready for that. I'm gonna go get wrenches for taking off this ladder.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Oh God.
I got it.
You got the top?
Yeah. Alright, spin it back. Right. I don't have anything. I thought this was going to be easy, but it's not. Alright, let me get a screw ready. Hopefully we don't pop a bunch of screws with this bulgy shit. Alright, so, oh, that's right. Slide it that way, we gotta put cleats up. Alright, now we got something to set this on. Let's give it a shot. Is it fitting?
Yeah. Which way is our wiggle room? We want it pressed up against here?
Yeah, it's going to be pressed up against the top. There is play at the bottom, so we got to lift it up.
Wait, you're holding it?
Yeah.
Should just get it. I'm gonna show this like a little. There.
Alright, so now we should be able to lift it up pretty easy all the way up to the ceiling. Grab the bottom, or as close as you can.
Is it up there?
It is. You can see what I was talking about. It's really hard to push up against the wall. It's like curling out. It's held in place, but
Not let go?
yeah, you can let go, and then we just gotta press it tight. Is that corner gonna go in? No, it's crooked. Yeah, it's crooked.
Fuck.
We either have to shave that or just take these screws out. See if it'll come down now.
Yeah, it went down.
This screw's got to come out too.
What the fuck? You already took the screw out of that one.
One's lost in there.
No, I thought you already took that screw out. It was the bottom one.
No, it's still in there. It's buried in there. It just when this thing moved, it just shifted inside there. All right, now when we lift this up, make sure that's not overlapping up there. Press it all the way down. If you can't press it down.
No, I can't. It's not pressing down again.
Alright, Michael. Is that the paper that's holding it out? What's back there?
Just some.
It should.
Just some plastic. I mean, the plastic. There's not a lot of plastic right there.
Maybe it's too wide down here, but you got a good amount. I don't know what's holding it out up there.
What the fuck?
Alright, let me know what it's doing up there.
Okay, it's good right now. But we're not all the way up against here.
We don't need to be. Yeah, I can feel this paper holding it way the heck out, but it's working. Okay, it should hold. Let's get. Alright, you're gonna have to move. I'm gonna get that corner pinned in. These edge ones are real difficult because you gotta throw the screw in at an angle. Alright, we're going to slide it towards you, and then you're going to get on the far side of it. Watch it, there you go. And I'll lift it up. Watch that corner. Hopefully no, put it down. We have to slide it more, all the way down. Alright, stand it up. I think we're hitting on that little corner that I fudged in there, but I can't tell. We have room at the bottom, so let's kind of stand it up.
It's definitely that. I feel like.
All right. Still
Just the very, very corner.
let me see. Yeah, it looks like. Yeah, I don't want to take too much off, but it looks like from here, still another ½ inch up here. Holy crap. hole for, we gotta pull the wires through. If they're not in the box. This was in the way. If they're in the box, then it's fine.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, I can see this one's off. That's fine.
Oh,
it's close. That's it. Go move down and push it there, and right next to this box. There you go. Keep that pushed by the box. Just keep pushing. And down below. Okay, that's it for today. We have a good deal of mistakes that I'm going to have to fix, but at least I can fix all of them. One of them is that my hole is in the wrong spot. I know how I did it, and I know how I got to fix it, but that kind of sucks. It's got to come this way a little bit, so I'm going to fill that back in with the plug I took out of it, and then move it over, cut a new hole. This right here, we had to cut that extra wide to get this panel up against the wall. This thing was a real bear, but it's in there pretty darn good. The boxes fit real good, and it's tight against the floor. That top part, the ceiling is 51 inches or so, so I have to put another strip there. It's unfortunate, but it has to be done. So I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to use for backer for stuff like this right here. That was a miscommunication. We got the panel up there, and Natalie was over here, and I was in the corner, and I said, "Is it all right?" And she said, "Yeah," so I started screwing it, and it wasn't all right. It needed to come over another 1/4 of an inch. So now that has to be filled as well. Lots of little stuff. It'll probably take, I don't know, a day, maybe 2 days to do all that and fill all the screw holes. And then I can get at the major taping. So I think the next time I get in here though, I gotta put a piece here. We had a piece cut from here, but somehow it had the paper, a big chunk of the paper was torn. And I don't want to be messing with that as well. So I'm gonna have to cut a new piece for that. Cut pieces for up there, get that installed, and then do a bit of repair work, and we're off to the races. Lots of work, but we'll get her done. So if you want to see, I think I'll be working on it next, and then Natalie and her boyfriend will be up here working and working outside. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.